What's good, y'all? Happy Saturday. CVO Trades here. We're going to look at some Grayscale assets and why I think they might be even better placed than cryptos. Okay, so Grayscale, why should you buy this over regular cryptos? Well, the trust itself, you can get exposure to crypto without having to buy it. So people who have IRAs, HSAs, or stock accounts, you can get exposed by buying these funds or trusts. And I'm bullish on it because of how much harder they can run. The downside to these trusts is that sometimes the spreads are pretty wild. So sometimes you can have like a bid for 150 bucks on FILG and then a sell is like 160. So then there's a $10 difference. So that's the only, I wouldn't say the only main con. It's just there's not enough liquidity in it. But sometimes you have to take the risk because if you look at GSOL, if you bought and it was listed, I don't know when it was, May 2023. Is that May 2023? I think it's May 2023. Yeah, if you bought in May 2023, I mean, look how much it's up 20. Is that 23x? So you put $1,000, that'd be 230K. So sometimes you gotta just take the risk, right? I'm sure the spreads were god awful in this area down here, but yeah, let's dive into it. So we can go over GSOL since I'm already in it, and then this is gonna be a pretty long video. I'm gonna go every single one, or most of them. If I don't cover it, it's probably illiquid and I don't like it. So GSOL, this is obviously the best performing Grayscale asset since inception. I'm sorry, that one or GLNK. So GSOL, when it was listed 15 bucks, now it's 365. So it's pretty wild. What do I think it's gonna go to? Let's see. Is that the fib? Yeah, it is. I feel like it's gonna go higher than that, to be honest. And let's see, February 20th, if you had bought, it's already up 100% since then. They moved so hard. Okay, so anyways, GSOL. So this chart is going to show you GSOL divided by SOL. And it's kind of, think of it as like, let me see, like BTC USD or SOL BTC. Whenever it's green, the numerator, in this case GSOL, that means it's outperforming the bottom asset or the denominator, which is in this case is SOL. So anytime this is green, that means GSOL is outperforming. Anytime it's red, that means GSOL is underperforming or SOL is outperforming. So in this case, ever since, I'm gonna say 2021, well, I mean, it wasn't listed till May 2023, so it had to be here. Okay, so there. That's when it started trending pretty hard, or I guess you're making really good gains. So to me, I'm looking at, and I don't know why the chart goes, like, I don't know why, where is it? I don't know why this chart history from here, so that doesn't make sense, from 2001. So just ignore that. We can only work from 2023 because that's the information we have. So GSOL, I would exit when this chart, GSOL divided by SOL USD, is at 15 bucks or near 20. That'll probably be a good area to either go flat in cash or rotate in the SOL, but most likely just go in cash. And then you can set an alert. I'm gonna set one here just in case I forget. All right, so that's GSOL. I think it's one of the top performing cryptos in general. And let me just look at the SOL chart. SOL itself, I think it's gonna overtake ETH because the platform is so much better. It's so much better. I don't know. That's a crazy target. No way. I think it's gonna be maybe like $500 or $1,000 if I had to guess. Mostly cryptos are starting to migrate to SOL. Just look at Render and the other projects because the fees are cheaper. All right, so that's GSOL. Let's look at BCHG, Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, this one's wild. Let's see if you, from the bottom, where's the thing? Okay. Yeah, it's wild, 1,400%. Even if you didn't buy there and if you bought like down here, that's still pretty good. So imagine your IRA, you put in like 10K into this at any point, it'll probably be a fat return. If you got the absolute bottom, then your 10K is probably 140K. So I'm a very big fan of this, whatever you want to call that. So maybe it's gonna do like that, but targets I'm looking for, and this is a huge IFVG, I'm guessing on the monthly I drew. Yeah, it is. We didn't get the monthly close above it, which is unfortunate, but I'm still expecting heavy upside. That's a pretty nice flag, and the underlying is already breaking out. So I'm expecting an 8x from here. So all-time highs are around $38 is when I would exit. Let's look at the underlying. Yeah, that's just fucking insane. This chart is nasty, sick nasty. Even though I don't agree with Craig Wright and I don't really like him, I'm not gonna fight that his crypto is looking good. The fake Satoshi. So that's BCH. Let's look at the, where is it? Do I have it? Is this one? No, it's not. What? No way. Okay, do that. All right, okay, so in this case, oh no, this case is fine because this is the weekend. So obviously you can't buy Grayscale on the weekends, and if the crypto's outperforming, that means that's why it's red. So in this case, it might actually be a good time to buy Bitcoin Cash. And none of this is financial advice. Please try your own risk. So yeah, I think probably exit near here and there. I'm personally not in this stock or coin. One chart I am in is ETCG, Ethereum Classic. So I saw this flagging pattern, right? And then the reason why I was bullish on it, thank God I got in early, or not early, but in time. There's a monthly IFVG right here. We had a monthly close above it, another monthly close above it, and another one. So 3 consecutive months. We tapped it in January, so it's bullish. And usually when you get an IFVG, you're gonna test the upper range. Not only that, you get a flag or a pennant. So there's a lot of buying demand. I like the sweep here. I like that sweep and reclaim. Anytime you get a reclaim and you get a tap, you want to go to upper range. So in this case, I'm bullish on ETCG to $41 and all-time highs at 95. So what is that from? My entry was at like 12 bucks. So that's like a 200% and a 500%. So let's hope that, what is that, 500%? Let's hope that plays out, because then I'll be really rich at the retirement age. Maybe I need to start buying this in my regular stock accounts too, because they're outperforming so hard. So this is it compared to Ethereum. So it looks like it's going to outperform the ETHE fund, which we'll get in a little bit. Let's see if I have it. Damn, I didn't save it. All right, so this one's starting to outperform, and it's red right now because we can't buy the trust on the weekend, and the crypto's going up. So I think it's gonna do maybe something like that, and then start trending up. But overall, it's starting this uptrend. And then if you want a clearer picture, because there's so many wicks, yeah, that's good. It's good to me. I think this is here's your IFPG right here. Okay, so ETCG, I'm bullish on it. ETHE, I've been in this for a while. That printed pretty hard for me, just because of how bullish I was in ETH. And I think a good test or a good area to start looking at tops is when the Grayscale assets kind of test this upper trend line or this upper channel. So ETHE, I started to rotate out of this into ETCG because of the this chart. So we'll see if it works, or if it pays off or not. But Ethereum Trust, I think it's gonna go to $68. Or was that 2x from here? 2 point something. Oh no, it's not. It's 132%. All right, so that's not bad if you want a safer, more liquid fund. This is pretty liquid. Let's see how it does against Ethereum. I really need to start adding. Ooh, ooh, that's pretty good. It's flagging. Okay, I like that. When to exit? I don't really see any. Maybe at that gap right here. That's probably when you should exit ETHG. FILG. Now this one I'm probably the most bullish on, but the spreads are bad. So just know that. I think it's probably gonna be the biggest winner at current prices. So keep this one on your radar. Grayscale loves Filecoin, and they're actually making money, like the crypto itself. And if we look at File's chart, it's absolutely amazing. So if it can do a 20x back to all-time highs, then I don't know, what do you think? Like, this could probably be the next GSOL. I mean, we'll revisit this in a month or two, or let's say like in the summertime. Let's just see when. Let's do this. Yeah, it's gonna get very crazy. So this area probably, I don't know, maybe higher. Yeah, it's gonna get frothy. So make sure to research this and take the time to understand what it could be, what it can do. Filecoin is basically decentralized storage, and it's working with Render and other AI projects, basically any other crypto that wants to use storage. And I'm pretty bullish on it. I don't think it's that crazy to say it can hit 1700. So keep that in mind. Imagine 10K to 35x, 350K. That's wild. Okay, file GBAT. I'm also bullish on. I mentioned it on Twitter already. I made a post. They're like a Brave. They're a Brave browser, and they just incorporated AI recently. So the underlying, let's look at BAT's chart. If we go back to all-time highs, 483%. So, I guess now I gotta move it from here. It's still 4x. And if we look at the underlying, damn, do I not like, here we go. Maybe, okay, yeah. This one, we can't really get a good picture. Maybe sell or go flat in this area. So I'm bullish on GBAT and FILG. Those are probably the best return wise, like overall, to get in. I don't know about the spreads. Yeah, it's pretty liquid. GLIV. Did I save it? No, I didn't. So this one is live peer. This one already ran kind of hard, so it might be a little bit late. I don't know the fundamentals on this, so I can't really comment on it. All I know is, what's it called? The spreads are pretty bad on this GLIV. Yeah, I don't really have a good read on this chart. I will say I got shaken out in this area because of how fucking wide it moves. So it's not like, these ones are not for the faint of heart. If you can't withstand a 20% down, then you should not be trading these or investing in these. GLNK, yeah, this one's insane. Big move. I don't know what the targets are going to be on this. If I had to guess, probably somewhere in that area. Let's look at it on, yeah, Link's almost, and it's pretty strong fundamentally. Oh shit. God damn it. It's a monster. No one wants to buy down here. They want to chase green. So it's about a 200% from all-time highs, or almost 2x, 280%. So GLNK, did I put a chart out? Oh no, I took it out. Where is it? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it looks like people like this more than the actual crypto itself. GSOL we went over, GXLM. Okay, this one's really nice, so still a good chance if you want to catch one of the first moves up. Nice IFEG here. It's probably a monthly one. Yup, it is. Yup, it's flagging hard. Yeah, flagging pretty hard. I think it can rip pretty nice. Now the crypto itself moves kind of slow, so who knows? But this chart, I don't think we should fade this strength. So it can do 16x from current levels. It sounds so crazy to say that. $500. That's so fucking crazy. Okay, but just remember it tracks the performance of the underlying. So how does XLM look? Let's add those. Oh, just beautiful, man. Honestly, I don't know how bears exist right now. Like I was bearish earlier. Like I thought Bitcoin was going to 12K, but if you can't switch your bias, then you're gonna just either miss out or get wrecked. And at current prices, this like I don't know how we don't see all-time highs. People calling for new lows, or I don't know what they're drinking. I don't know what they're on, because that's asinine. But XLM in general, another 4x all-time highs, and this chart is pretty bullish. I mean, I'm not gonna call for all-time highs, but if it does, I wouldn't be surprised around like $2. I mean, it doesn't get more textbook when you have head and shoulders inverted. You got a weekly IFEG twice. You tested it twice, so you get a double bottom. There's an order block here, and then you flagged pretty hard. And now, so all this demand is driving price up, and I don't see it stopping. Maybe first target around here, but this one actually has good fundamentals. I'm not going to dive into it, but it's pretty obvious that we're going to go back to the highs, in my opinion. So that's XLM, GXLM. If this can do 4x, then I don't doubt it can do at least a 2x on this pair. HZEN, my friend who I help with her IRA, she's been outperforming mine because she held this coin, and I got stopped out on this motherfucker because this drop, like this shit was hitting me, so I got scared. That's all good, but she held this and she's up like 8. I think she's up, yeah, like a good amount, because she was accumulating in this area. I can't even take my own advice, but it is what it is. You know, that's how it works. You gotta know how to play the game. I'm bullish on it. I think we see $13. I don't know if we're gonna see higher. Let's see, what's the fib looking like? Yeah, $13 is a good target. All-time highs around 30. I don't really know what HZEN does. Is it a layer 1? I'm not sure. Where's it? Zen. Okay, this chart's nice too. I think it's a better one. Horizon. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so we can do, if it does all-time highs, that's a 10x. Okay, so let me add that in. Let's see what that looks like. Yo, what happened? Why is it not adding my shit? HZEN divided by. Okay. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy. So that's HZEN. If you're not in, it might be too late. You might be chasing here. It would be nice if it formed kind of like a double range. But there's that. LTCN looks good too. I just don't like LTC in general, but I'm not going to argue that it can't go back to the highs. So it can do, what is that, 30x, 27x. The underlying, like I said, I don't like Litecoin because the chart is so weird. It doesn't make sense. Oh, I guess I can't really say that because it looks like XLM. Oh no, my mouse. Okay. sorry, I lost my sensitivity. Okay, so Litecoin back to the highs 390. Is that 3x from here? Yeah, just about. It's just about. And then if we add in yeah, this is that's not bad. It's flagging above. There's a lot of gaps, so it has a lot of room. So it can actually run hard. Okay, yeah, it's not bad. It's just not my cup of tea. You can get it. I think it's more liquid than most. Mana, I like a lot. I'm in it pretty heavy. Like, I think I'm in like 20K. So hopefully it prints. I like the 1 month FEG, IFEG, and I like the market structure break. I like how it's making a propulsion block right now. So propulsion block is when anytime it comes down, it retests. So retest. So you can think of it as like 1 2 1 2 if you're an LA wave trader. My targets, I think 104 easily. It would be nice if it went to here. It would be nice. And if you're ever wondering how I get the targets, I'll show you. You can draw your fib to your bottom to the top, and then turn on the -1236, -162, and if it's really bullish, you can turn these as well. These are Fibonacci numbers, and you can turn on fib or non-fib to get both targets. Non-fib will give you more realistic, but if it's a crypto asset, most likely it's going to be the fib because it's so volatile, or anything crypto related. So that's Mana. It's a gaming token slash a metaverse token, and anything doing virtual reality, and I like it a lot. Let's see. Oh wow, that's a nice. That's a good tweet. But okay, I like this a lot. It's ripping higher. I'm glad I bought a big ass size. Holy shit! I didn't even notice that week. The weekly candle we're in. God damn. Yeah, good range here. We missed this sweep. There's order block. Yeah, we hit sweep here, back in the range, and now I don't think we're gonna stop until all-time highs. What does that mean? 600% or 6x? Okay, yeah. Sign me up. Sign me the fuck up. What's that mean here? Let's see. Mana. Oh. Okay, this one. Divided by NOCT. Yeah, okay, I don't know. Why is it euro? Mana. Here, do that. Okay. Okay, better. Let's add this to. How do I add this? Oh, add to, yeah. Where's Grayscale? Am I blind? Oh my god, okay. So don't sell any mana until this area. Let me set an alert. Take principal out there and chill. So that's mana. Again, this chart is amazing. Love it. I'm just curious, is the OTE tier 2? What do you know? That's crazy. Okay, Zcash. I don't like Zcash, but for those that like privacy coins, it's a 5x from all-time highs. I'm not gonna cover the. No, I'll just do it real quick. Yeah, chart looks fine. It's fine. It's basically the start of alt season right now for most. So back to all-time highs would be. Oh god, that's a lot. But just know it's a bigger. It has more, like all this choppiness. It's more. It's not gonna move as quick, in my opinion. And then we already know about Grayscale, Bitcoin, and then what I'm gonna say. I think that we're gonna top out. I'm not trying to be a top caller or whatever, but I think once we test this upper trend line, we should start getting cautious. At least on Bitcoin, like I don't buy Bitcoin or not exposed to it in any way. I usually buy the alts. But if once we're at this upper trend line, I would be very cautious on what's going to happen. So anytime we're at 3 digits on this asset, I think we need to take a step back and see what's going to happen. Now, fib wise, if you go on a log, then I mean, that looks insane. I don't know if that's valid, but for me, it would look, I mean, it doesn't matter what I want, but it will look healthier if we do like that. If we do something like, we can also do this, cup and handle. I don't know if we're gonna make it back to 33. I don't know. And then, oh shit. I don't know if that's from, let's take this out, take this out. Yeah, it kind of just blew through. I mean, on the Bitcoin level, the yearly, I mean, it made a nice IFVG right here. Oh, let's go to monthly since it closed. All right, that's pretty bullish. Okay, so I'm gonna take that out. All right, so if we get a pullback, what I'm expecting on Bitcoin, I know this, I was going to cover Grayscale only, but I'm going to just cover this really quick. If we get a pullback, if March is like kind of just chilling for Bitcoin, I would expect it to tap into this. I don't know how deep. The lowest I would expect is 48. The highest I would expect, like if we're super bullish, is 53.5. That would be a down candle, fill the FEG, and there's a order block here too, and then we go. It would be even more bullish if it kind of just like goes sideways like that, and we go, because then alts can really run. Okay, so that was mostly I need to cover this one too. That was mostly every single Grayscale asset. There is another fun, DeFi Technologies. It looks like crypto too, so I don't have any exposure just yet, but it's probably gonna rip. So that was all the Grayscale. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter. And then if you're interested in joining my Discord, we're making some dough. Or if you just want to learn and join the community, hit my Twitter. It has an invite link in it. And if this video has helped you in any way, or any of my tweets helped you in any way, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and then let's get this money, guys. Enjoy the bull run. Peace.